Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on Hotmail. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.hotmail.com and hit enter. As you can see on my screen, if you type in hotmail.com, you'll be directed to outlook.com. This is because Microsoft has acquired Hotmail and connected it to Outlook. Now, for you to create an account, you have to click on this Create Free Account button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the Create Free Account option, you'll be guided to another page. Now, on this page, you'll have to create an email address. For example, adamsmith@outlook.com and then click on the next button. Once you create an email address, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to create a password. After you create a password, you'll be further guided to another page where you'll have to fill in your name. You'll have to fill in your first name here, your last name here, and then click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll have to choose your country and fill in your birth date. After you fill in all those credentials, you'll have to solve a puzzle. Now on my puzzle, Microsoft has asked me to pick the chicken. So on this context, I'll be clicking on this tile. After I fill in all the credentials correctly, as you can see on my screen, an account on Outlook or Hotmail has been automatically created. I hope this video helped you to create an account on Hotmail. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.